Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account, then create a new Colab notebook. Do that now. Once done, choose Runtime right arrow, change runtime type to Python 3 and pick GPU or TPU if your model needs acceleration. Next, mount your Google Drive to access files from Google. Colab import drive. Mount /content/drive. Make sure to set the working directory to the folder containing your datasets, so code references remain stable throughout the session. You now focus on the core workflow. Install any missing libraries directly in cells using pip install package == version so versions are reproducible. Then structure the notebook, one cell for imports, one for data loading and preprocessing, another for model training, and separate cells for evaluation and visualization. Regularly save checkpoints to Google Drive with model. Save drive/my drive/ and check runtime right arrow manage sessions to monitor RAM and GPU. This prevents lost progress and helps you reproduce results reliably. When wrapping up, export your notebook as IPNB or PI and ensure trained artifacts are saved to Drive or cloud storage. Then share the notebook with collaborators, setting view or edit permissions and including runtime type and package versions so they can reproduce results. If something fails, restart the runtime, clear outputs, and rerun cells in order. This often resolves dependency and state issues. If GPU memory errors persist, reduce batch size, delete unused variables and call torch, CUDA, empty cache, or equivalent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.